Alright, first unboxing of the Master Grade Justice Gundam. So, been really looking forward to checking this one out. The box is gigantic. Awesome stuff on the side here of showing all how you can pose it with both the backpack on it and off of it. Looks like it comes with a decent amount of accessories. 48,000 yen is the suggested retail price. I paid less for that. I used USA Gundam Store. Pretty good. Got some other good posed artwork here. Looks really awesome. Let's do my favorite part though, and actually see what we got inside. Looks like we got, it looks like the runner separated a little bit in the box, but no big deal. Dry transfers and such. Looks like parts for the backpack. And probably more of the backpack. Yeah, I believe so. Nice. There's a lot of runners in here. Holy crap. That is pretty crazy. Oh, it comes with a stand. Now that's pretty awesome. I actually didn't know it came with the stand. I even watched a review of this before, so I should have known that. And shield and other white parts. That looks pretty awesome. And the manual, smaller than the Master Grade Talkies. Pretty great. We'll flip through. Let me get these runners open and we'll get a closer look at them. So first runner we have here is the A runner, and this part popped off, but nothing's broken, so no big deal on that. And the rest of it's in this kind of char pink, kind of salmon color, plus some clear parts, and the effect parts are actually built into the runner, which that's pretty interesting. And this isn't even solid yellow, it's kind of a dark goldish yellow. I'm going to be painting that, but I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use the same shade or not. And here we have two of the J runners. They're identical runners, but all the internal frame parts in this kind of light gray. It's really nice. Good detail work in there, especially in the inner frames and the legs, shoulder parts. I believe the shoulders are thigh, probably. Anyway, and we got some additional inner frame parts. Again, really nice detail, weaponry. I really like this hand, and I like the non-posable hands. I like this hand style better. It just doesn't fall apart on me. One thing to note, this fell out of this runner in the packaging. Nothing's broken on it, and I'm going to be painting it. It's kind of annoying. And then we have runner H here. It's in a darker kind of purplish red, kind of purplish pink color for the backpack. Really like this color. I'm a big fan of purple, and probably going to go a darker shade of purple for this for the backpack on mine, but really like it. But you can see all the little details that they've got in here. It's going to be really nice once we get that panel lined up. Really like this in the vents and everything. Pretty cool. So we have the B runner here, just more, looks like the internal parts for the backpack. Though it's got some hand parts as well, so just some more of that same gray. We got two C runners. Just really nice detailing in some of this. I really like this kit. This kit's gonna be fun. I have both E1 and D runner, the white colors, kind of all very just kind of Gundam-y white, so not pure white, kind of a milk white to it, which is really nice. I have a lot of the detailed parts with this, plus both the pilot figures. I haven't taken a chance on painting pilot figures yet, so we'll see how that turns out. Might try that. And then we got the shield and some other parts on there as well. And then looks like more parts for the, well, probably not just the backpack. It's got some other parts here, but this is not just darker, it's also very glossy. I'll be painting over that as well, but still, nice look to it. Might have to get this more of a metallic finish on my own as well. Additionally, some more armor parts for the F runner, excuse me. Where is F? Again, really nice detailing in this kit. I'm gonna really enjoy putting this together and getting it detailed up. Then E2, just some more white parts. Finishes up the other runner, the E1 runner, complements that one. And the stand runner, which I believe is ABS, but I'm not sure. It doesn't say that, so I don't know. Usually it says ABS if it is, so I don't think it is actually. But this is a nice big stand to display that, which is great because I'm going to want to display him riding the backpack, you know, when I've got him up and displayed in my house. Then as well here, we have some foil stickers, some dry transfers, which I'm never a fan of, and then what I'm super not a fan of is just a big old sticker sheet. But I wanted decals, so they don't actually make, or at least I couldn't find it, an official water slide, but found the sheet of third-party water slides, and I'll show y'all. It actually looks really nice. First I was worried they were really faded, but they're actually quite beautiful. Look at that. This is from, I believe it's called DL, but anyway, it makes some really good third-party water slides. And so I will be using this for all the decal work. As you see, it covers both everything that's on this sheet. In addition to, it also covers the stuff on the dry transfer. So I'm going to have a lot of options, a lot more than I had with this. I might end up using some of these though, because these, usually if you lay them behind things or cameras, they look pretty nice. Though I might try something with the actual manual, actually like paint the actual like headpiece, eyes, visor. Anyway. And last but not least, got the manual, which is really nice looking, beautiful artwork for Justice. Have some information about the mech, how to do the dry transfers, just kind of explain what the parts are, proper procedure for clipping, all that good stuff. All the parts. It looks like you're going to use a good bit of it. There are going to be some things that are not used. Wonder what those were originally for. And then just all the different parts. Assembly. Start with the body, then the head, then the arms, waist, legs. Info. Painting guide in the center here. Both for Catherine as well, showing you just how good it'll look painted up and detailed. Stuff about the pilots, inner frame, and all that good stuff. And I assume, I guess the rest of the legs and body assembly, but the backpack assembly here, not bad. It looks pretty cool. And the stand, which is a pretty quick setup. Pretty straightforward, but I like it. And then just show you how it transforms and everything. All the decal placement, a lot for the backpack, and a lot for the body too, I guess. So it's not bad. Just a nice detailed photo of it in the back. Really cool. Well guys, looking forward to building this one. Looking forward to it really. So I will be right back. I'll back with the snap build. See y'all then.